This lens is truly an essential. I love it and great for the price. The purpose for this review is that it can be used as a return note for Amazon rep to see the detailed reason. I felt that if I want to order a replacement or cancellation, I need to give precise info. This lens cannot focus well either manually or automatically up. The resulting image is extremely soft, and cannot be used at all. Looks like a 640 by 320 image at its best. The DOF is very shallow, even that short distance is only from very soft to totally smudged. By all means this lens needs to be replaced or returned. One thing I think it is good is that it makes wide-angle composition possible. However, the malfunction of the focus threw me totally out. I will ask for a replacement first. I received the lens June 18, 2012, around noon and shoot about 195 test shots. Update July 18, 2012. This is a long overdue. The replacement lens is an absolutely wonderful lens. I just came back from New York City, and I shoot a lot of pictures using this lens. All I want to say is that the problems are all gone. I took 95% of the images using this lens. They are just beautiful. I also changing the rating to 5 star from 1 star. I am blown away by this lens and so's my #1 real estate photo client. I jumped on it when I saw the lens on sale, and it's one of the smarter purchases I've made. I purchased it primarily for real estate photography, especially for shooting in tight spaces to get more of the room. My normal walk-around lens, which is an 18 to 300 mm zoom, is pretty good for photoing rooms at its widest angle, but to be able to zoom down to 10 mm has been hugely helpful in photoing closets, kitchen spaces, bathrooms, tall or wide structures from short distances, etc. It's now my main real estate lens, and it's already close to paying for itself after a month of working with it. Very impressed with the quality of this lens. Autofocus works smoothly and the sharpness is good. Excellent lens, something heavy but provides a very wide image. Love these lens. Does anyone know what size adapter ring size go with these? I bought a 77mm wide-angle ring adapter and it was a bit big for this lens. Please and thanks in advance. This is hands down my favorite lens. I use it on a Rebel T5i and T6i. The 10-20 is great for landscape as well as indoors. This is the lens on my camera 90% of the time now. Click link in description for more reviews.